All right, guys, it is time that I need your help. I need every single one of you watching this video to jump in the comments and help me out with this because I'm having some big issues. So let's jump into the video, have a chat about it, and you guys can give me some advice. All right, so my issue is, big issue, it's really frustrating, is my power tool kit, right? So obviously, when we all start out working on cars, you start with that little real cheap toolbox, then you kind of build it up. Now, I have managed to get my Tool Pro, double-decker kit, and it's got like lifetime warranty or like direct replacement warranty, all that kind of cool stuff. So that's great. I'm really happy with that. But my power tools have always been kind of a cheaper thing. I do run Ryobi for like my rattle gun, my drill, things like that. There's a few things that I've got. And then obviously the little cheapy things like your grinder and your Dremel and blah, blah, blah. It's a Zito from Bunnings, right? It's cheap stuff. It's not the best. I know that, but I've just been trying to, essentially I'll be halfway through a job and I just need to get it done. So I go out and I buy the $30, $40 bit, whatever, right? I'm halfway through a video for you guys right now on the BMW and my rattle gun has died. Well, not died, the charger has died, and previously my Ryobi drill has died. Now I just replaced the drill, but I'm at a point here, and I know I could just go and buy a charger, but I'm at a point here and I'm like, okay, I'm all in on this YouTube channel, right? My uploads may have to slow down to fortnightly at the moment, just like for time, essentially. Like I'm time poor, but I am all in. Obviously, I've built the Supra with this channel, well, part of the Supra with this channel. I have done the entire E46 build with the channel. I've done the entire journey with the Majesta that we're still kind of in. And I'm not going to stop. I don't plan on stopping. I want to get a drift car. I want to learn how to drift. I want to refurbish a trailer. I want to get a tow car. I want to do some cars that we flip or like competitions or I don't know. Like, I'm all in, you know? I'm not just going to give up on this channel. As much as the growth is slow, I'm not giving up. But because of that, I feel like now that I've got some issues with my power tools, I need to move across to a bigger, better brand. Now, right now, I feel like Milwaukee is the go. I will tell you why in a second, but I am open. I'm open. I don't know if I'm open to DeWalt. But I'm open to like Makita, Milwaukee. Like, tell me your brands, tell me what you use, tell me what's good. I just really have been impressed with Milwaukee. I know people are going to tell me some horror stories. Please tell me your horror stories in the comments. Tell me your wonder stories in the comments for Milwaukee, Makita, like DeWalt, like all of them. Come and tell me about them. What should I go with? Because this is an expensive exercise. I've talked about it in my like what you need for your garage like tool videos, that this is the expensive bit. And it's not so much the drills, it's like the skins, you know, like they call them. It's kind of moving across to that brand. And then you just run with everything for the brand. Like, for example, the high torque big boy Milwaukee drill, rattle gun, sorry, is like $700 for the skin. And the Ryobi one, which is weaker, but still like impressive, is still $450. And you can go and get them for like on sale. I think you can get it right now on sale, the 3/4 inch. It's like 2000 Newton meter undoing capacity. I think you can get it for like $529 for the skin, which, you know, when like that's not even $80 more expensive than Ryobi. You know what I mean? So like, yeah, I'm leaning to Milwaukee right now, but that's why I'm making this video, because I need your help. I need you guys to get involved. Now, the reason that I am leaning towards Milwaukee is the 1J for the E46, right? Harmonic balance of the crank bolt. I was struggling for 3 days trying to get that thing undone. I was getting people to come and help me. I was trying my rattle gun. I was trying to charge my battery to full capacity, then try the rattle gun, all this stuff, right? And then my mate rocked up with his Milwaukee. It wasn't even a high torque, it was a mid torque rattle gun with half battery, walked up, put it on, boom, done, off, finished. And I was just like, okay, I need to rethink my life. Because, yeah, look, I don't want to kind of shit on Ryobi. They are good. They're great for like your normal workshop kind of thing. And I don't think that I'm like anything above like a normal kind of garage home workshop kind of thing. But I am diving into jobs that are bigger and require more strength, more muscle. You know what I mean? I need my tools to be really reliable, especially now that I've got Elijah. Like I said earlier, I'm time poor. So when I do get a window of like 3, 4, 5 hours that I can work on the cars, I can't have the tools failing on me like they are currently. Because yeah, you've got like a 4-hour, 5-hour window, you're 3 hours in. Right now, the BMW is jacked up. It's on, the front's on jack stands and a jack. And I actually don't know what to do, because do I go and just buy the rattle gun? I mean, you're getting close to $1,000, right? For the Milwaukee rattle gun. And then I would go down that path. But obviously all of these brands have their kits, you know, it's like a 3-tool kit, and it comes with 3 batteries and a charger and a this and a that. And I know this seems like such a mundane video, but it's so important to me, because once I take that step to that brand, I'm sticking with them. It's not like you go iPhone and then back to Android and then over to iPhone and then back to Android and then jump across and across, because like you can just get it. Once you, like my mate Mitch, he just jumped into the Milwaukee world. He loves them. He's like, if he could, he'd get Milwaukee tattooed on him kind of thing. He loves it, and he's spent a lot of money with them to get a lot of tools. And I know that if you really invest your time into them, they are worth it, and they do like a redemption thing. I'm assuming like Makita and DeWalt do the same thing. So you give them like your Ryobi drill, and they'll give you something of like similar value back. So you don't just have your tools sitting in the corner of the garage doing nothing. So I need your input. Genuinely, I need your input. Go and, like, if you're really young and you don't even have your toolkit, go and talk to your old boy, because dads have the value. Like they've spent the time and the hours with these tools in their life, you know, either at work or working on cars or whatever, that they go, yeah, don't even touch that. Don't go near that brand. Or the opposite, like, yeah, that brand's amazing. Go with it. Dive right deep into that brand because they're worth it. Like I remember when I was an apprentice, the old boys that I didn't give them as much, I didn't listen to them as much as I should have, because the value that those guys gave to me was just gold. All of them, the older boys, the younger guys, like the knowledge that they had and the experience they had from that, I really wish I listened a little bit more. And I'm always kind of like digging back into memories and be like, oh yeah, he said this and he said that, and I should do this and I should do, because you find yourself doing things and you're like, yep, I've ended up doing exactly what they told me I should be doing. So thanks guys, I should have just listened from day one. But anyway, I digress. That's why I want all of your inputs. Please guys, you guys might be doing drifting and have a kit that you always run and you go, yeah, like I wouldn't get anything but Milwaukee, or I wouldn't get anything but Makita, because they've been so good to me. You might not have anything bad to say about the other brands, which is great, because I do like to be positive about everything and everyone. But you know, you might just have a really good story about a specific brand, and it might push me over the edge to go, okay, maybe I go this or that. Because like I said, it's very costly, and it's a big jump. And obviously if you get like a 2-piece kit, it costs you like $800. If you get like a 3-piece kit, it's like $1,000, and then it's like $1,500, and then it's like $2,000, and the money keeps going up. And this channel isn't big enough for people like companies like that to reach out and be like, oh, we'll just give you a 5-piece kit here. I mean, it would be amazing if Milwaukee reached out and were like, we believe in you, we think you are going somewhere, here's a bunch of tools. But I've got to be realistic, like it's probably not going to happen. And I need these tools soon, because I need to get content out for you guys. And as much as I'm not on the level of someone like Jimmy Oakes, who 1J swapped his E36 in like less than a month, and my E46 1J swap has taken like a year. I'm trying to get there. But like I said, I am all in on this channel. I'm not giving up on it. I am going to keep making videos. But to do that and to get them kind of churned out, I do need to step up my tooling. Because yeah, it's just, that is what is getting me unstuck at the moment. So please guys, if you've stuck around this long, thank you so much, because it's like we're 10 minutes in and you've stuck around with me. Please jump in the comments, let me know what's great, what's rubbish. I have heard things like DeWalt sucks, but that might just be a couple of people that had a bad experience. I have heard a lot of people say Milwaukee is amazing, but they do also give the caveat of, yes, it is quite expensive. They all are. The big brands are expensive. So please, please, please jump in the comments. I will be responding to everybody's comments. I always do. Whoever comments in there, I don't know if you know, but now you do. I reply to everybody. My app literally says you have X amount of comments unreplied to, and I go in and I reply to them almost daily. So please jump in there, have a chat with me, tell me your stories, have a bit of back and forth, and let's get a decision on what brand we're going to move across to, because I'm kind of over Ryobi and I want to step it up. So please get in there. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for coming along, guys. I appreciate you all. Please like, comment, subscribe. Mainly comment, but the likes do really help. And I'll see you all. Well, actually, I will speak to you all in the comments, but I will see you all in the next one. See you guys.